What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. I know you see this pump that happened recently. Not too big, but it is something and it's definitely good for Dogecoin's future. Anyways, we're going to talk about this. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send Cash App or PayPal donations to the donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. So first thing I want to talk about is this. You can see over here with the indicators. In the last 24-hour market control, the bears are still in control by 60%, but yesterday they were in control by 80%. And the day before that, it was also 80%. So the fact that we're being controlled now only by 60% is actually pretty good because that means the bulls have 40% of the market. Now, as you can see over here, you can see that the oscillator shows we did have some oversold movements here. But the second that happened, we had a huge buy-in. We had huge buy-ins, and that was a little bit overbought. And that's what it's showing here with Dogecoin. So then you see a little bit of a downtrend happening after that pretty much, and then another strong uptrend. So we're seeing a lot of good stuff coming out here for Dogecoin with the price movement. It definitely shows that a pump is nearby. Like I've been saying this for a while, that the Dogecoin whales are not going to hold off forever. They're really going to come in, like they're really going to come in very soon, and that's what we're seeing now. So you're seeing lots of Dogecoin whales doing lots of one-time purchases. Even the ones that aren't doing one-time purchases are still buying huge amounts of Dogecoin. Very large amounts of Dogecoin. They're all doubling down, and really, I want to show you a few whales here. Like this whale here came in $27.1 million. They did come in and come out. And there's a few other whales that did, a little bits of day trades like that. You got this Dogecoin whale over here, came in $26 million. You got another one over here, did a little bit of a day trade, 87 million to 86 million. But it really just all depends on the overall crypto market. If Bitcoin does well, we all do well. So you see Bitcoin trying to do some recoveries right now, but we're still at 57 or 56K now, 2.3% down in the last 24 hours. Ethereum at 4,200. Binance coins trying to do some recovery. But yeah, we're starting to see all these cryptos starting to do a little bit of a recovery. There was huge jumps last night, huge jumps. So right now, I really do want to go over a few different things with Dogecoin here. So over here, you can see Dogecoin positioned for steep correction towards 18 cents. That's pretty much what they said yesterday, that Dogecoin was, due for a correction. Now, right after that was said, we did hit the supply and demand area, the green area, showing that we have lots of demand for Dogecoin. So the second we actually hit that area, we started to go on a huge uptrend here, and that's why you see this. That's why you see that we broke that resistance. So right now, the 18 cents, the only way 18 cents is going to happen if we see Bitcoin go down to 50 cents. Or not 50 cents. If we see Bitcoin go down to $50,000, then we'll see this 18-cent support happen. But yeah, that's a really low amount for Dogecoin. But that's like the last area for major support for us. Like not the last area, but it's the closest area to major support from where we are now. So if we break 22 cents and 20 cents, then we'll go down to 18 cents. But that's only if you see Bitcoin go down to 50K, which right now, pretty much I just showed you Bitcoin may actually go down that low. But honestly, I don't think it's a bad thing. Like I really want to see Dogecoin at 1 cent, like I've been saying. Like Dogecoin will look really nice at 1 cent because $1,000 is gonna get you 100K Dogecoins. So I'm not complaining with that. Like I definitely want 100K Dogecoin because at $1 that'll be 100K. So if I could get Dogecoin at 1 cent and then put in $1,000, that will be like my life's goal, my mission right there. But anyways, let's move on with this. So Dogecoin price fails to hold critical support. Bears could easily tip the scale to initiate a flash crash, and oscillator levels hint that downside pressure could be limited. And yes, downside pressure is limited. As you can see here in the oscillator, the second we were oversold, we were overbought. Like the second we went down, the Dogecoin whales and the bulls see this as opportunity, and they buy that dip. So the second we had that dip there, they bought it. The second that happened way back there, they bought it. So you're seeing here on the oscillator, we're having more people buying in and selling. You can see that these buy orders are way more significant than the sells. Like they just go up way higher. There's just way more going in than there is going out. So that's why we see every time Dogecoin takes a dip, it always immediately rises because the whales, the bulls, they don't want to let that happen. Now, Dogecoin price is now in the most bearish Ichimoku's position since May 2021. Additionally, bears remain in control and look for opportunities to push Dogecoin lower to the 18-cent value. So this is pretty much the final support. Like I said, the final support before the capitalization would occur. And what they mean by that is that's the final support line before Dogecoin takes off. Like it hits 18 cents. The bulls are going to look at this as the biggest buying opportunity in Dogecoin. Honestly, 1 cent is the biggest buying opportunity in my opinion, but they don't want to let it get all the way that low. They want to buy in early and then they want to raise it up and make more money. But you gotta think about it. They're putting millions of dollars in it. Like me, if I put that $1,000 in at 18 cents and then it goes all the way up to $1, cool. I made 5x my money right there. But with them, they put their $20 million and they 5x it. They have 100 million, so they're more incentivized to just do it whenever. Just let it go down to 18 cents because they don't need to wait till 1 cent. Whereas me, in order for me to get a really big bag, I gotta wait for it to go down way lower. So that's why these Dogecoin bears or bulls, they're looking at this from a different perspective. So, anyways, Dogecoin price to retest 18 cents. Successful bears could generate a flash crash to 8 cents. So, Dogecoin price is extremely bearish with the Ichimoku, as they're saying. They really are trying to get it all the way down there. There's no Ichimoku support between 21 cents and 18 cents, they're saying. To prevent a likely flash crash, buyers must support Dogecoin price at the 18-cent value area. The large red shaded area on the chart represents the price levels from 18 cents to 8 cents. Now, between those two price levels, the 2021 volume profit is almost non-existent. They're pretty much saying. So this means that if Dogecoin were to drop below 18 cents, it would likely get sucked into like a vacuum and then lower the volume all the way down to about 8 cents. However, Dogecoin has a history of creating extremely bearish positioning and when whipsawing bears into a massive trap. This is absolutely true. Dogecoin always does this. It always looks like it's just about to go all the way down and just about to completely just die out. But then after some analysis, you could see this happens all the time with Dogecoin. Dogecoin takes a huge dip. People are like, oh no, Dogecoin's dead, and then out of nowhere, Dogecoin skyrockets. So while the relative strength index and the composite index both show that some downside pressure could continue, the Optex brand oscillator is the critical tool to watch. The Optex brands are currently trading just a hair above the extreme oversold areas, indicating a bounce could occur at any moment. So we could bounce back at any moment is pretty much what they're saying here. So for bulls to invalidate any near-term or future bearish forecast, they will need to close Doge above the Ishimoku cloud. Ideally, buyers would need to close Dogecoin at or above 28 cents in order to make it bullish. If that occurs, Dogecoin will enter an ideal bullish Ishimoku area breakout, which will then likely target the 50-cent value area. Now, the reason why I think this is actually possible is because look at this huge jump that we had. Like the second we hit our supply and demand, we just had so much demand for Dogecoin. So we could actually continue to rise here with Dogecoin. We just need these bigger supply and demand areas like we had back here around, I think this was around October. Let me close this out. So yeah, this was around the 1st of November, around 13th of November, actually. So if we could have the areas of big, heavy supply and demand like we did back here, then we could have Dogecoin continue to rise. We could actually break out of this resistance area. So this could happen. We would just need some more demand for Dogecoin. We would need those bulls to keep doubling down. Now, this is huge though. Robinhood is testing Dogecoin wallet. This could be another thing that sends Dogecoin to the moon because this is just big for us. Now, Robinhood has sent Dogecoin to an external wallet for the first time to test the much anticipated feature. So Christine Brown, Chief Operating Officer at Robinhood Crypto, has offered a sneak peek at the app's much anticipated cryptocurrency wallet feature. So, in a recent tweet, she attached a screenshot of a test Dogecoin transfer that took place last week. So, they pretty much tested this out and they sent it to this wallet here, 420 Doge. So, this could be really big for us. You can see here that it says your Doge is on the way, blah, blah, blah. The wallet address ending in AXF4E is right there, depending on the number of confirmations required by the wallet you're sending Doge to. It could take 30 minutes. So this is pretty much confirmations. And then it says what are confirmations when you send or receive crypto, blah, blah, blah. Those are confirmations. So this is pretty much them teasing their wallet and teasing how it works and pretty much all that good stuff. So they said $91 to test it out. And then the transaction fee was less than a penny. It was only 0.0044. So that's a pretty cheap transaction fee. So shout out to Robinhood for that, and shout out to Dogecoin because you got to remember the Dogecoin core update. Like that's huge. So as you can see, payments on the network of the flagship meme coin have become significantly more affordable following the much talked about release of Dogecoin 1.14.5. This is a pure example of that. That's pretty big that we have cheap transaction fees, not Ethereum. You want to transact $91 through Ethereum, you're going to be paying $100 to $150 in gas fees just for sending $91. Maybe you could wait till like midnight or 1 a.m. or something, and then it'll be like $70. But still, I don't want to pay $70 just to send $90. That's eating too much into the money. So, anyways, as you can see, this is huge. A lot of people are talking about this. Shibatoshi Nakamoto came out and he was like, this is huge. 2-cent Doge fee also. And yeah, Dogecoin is about to do some big stuff right now. Literally, we are about to do some big stuff if Robinhood really gets this Dogecoin wallet out in enough time. I'm definitely waiting to see this. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to show you this huge jump, what we have going on in our technicals, and what we have going on fundamentally with the Dogecoin Robinhood wallet. That's going to be huge for us. But yeah, anyway, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.